I have this very, very cool dehumidifier. I'll show it to you. It's a whirlpool. You push a button, and then it decides what the humidity is in here. 80. And then it starts bringing it down. And it blows out cold air at the beginning. And it'll take the humidity down to whatever you want it to be. Well, down again. It's very cool because I find that the hardest part about a hot time, a hot night or a hot room is the humidity. If you take the humidity down, dry it out, it's okay. It doesn't matter if it's hot anymore. See, it's still blowing cool air, but I can feel it getting to be warmer. Anyway, and then when it fills up, this light turns red. And then I have a bucket of distilled water. I don't use it for anything, but I have it. I mean, that's important, isn't it? Anyway, I decided to tell you that because I think that's really cool. So when I'm really hot and sticky at night in bed, I just reach over, push the button, and then it gets better. It gets dry in here. So I'm using this. It was really good also when I was drying in the dryer, because the dryer makes the room really humid. I must not be attached properly behind there anymore. And so it dried it all out. As well as could be expected. Alright, that's what I had to say to you. So if you happen to see one, a whirlpool dehumidifier, and you want one, I think they're good. Bye.